Alright, so first thing we gotta do is open up a chart on TradingView website. I'm gonna choose the BNB chart and then select the 15-minute time frame. The first indicator I want to use in this strategy is called Black Pia XBT USD Algo, which can add to the chart from the indicator section of the TradingView website. This indicator tells us the best time and price to enter trade, but we need to make a few changes to it. So head over to the indicator settings and in the style tab, disable all options except long and short options. This will make the chart look cleaner and less cluttered so you don't get confused when trading. Then go to the Inputs tab and change the look back period to 21 and the sensitivity to 6. After these changes, the accuracy of the indicator will increase significantly. Now to enter a buy trade, you just gotta wait for the long signal and you could profit like the example where this trade was up to 6% in the spot. And similarly, to enter a sell trade, you gotta wait for a short signal and you could profit like the example where this trade 10.5% in the spot. But I ain't recommending trading based solely on one indicator. We gotta build this strategy out using other tools to make it complete. So next, we add the 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator to the chart from the indicator section. After adding the indicator, head over to the settings and active 2 moving averages. For inputs, set MA1 to RMA with a period of 100 and pick a color. Then set MA2 to RMA with a period of 100 again, but this time set the calculation time frame to 30 minutes and pick a color. Under style, you can thicken the moving averages lines to make them stand out more on the chart. The 10 and 1 different moving averages indicator help us spot high potential signals by identifying the trend and momentum in the market. For example, if you want to enter a sell trade, the price needs to be below both moving averages. This will let you capitalize on a strong downward momentum. And vice versa for buy trades, meaning that the price needs to be above both moving averages so the momentum is upward. And now in the last step of building this powerful strategy, add the MACD leader indicator to the chart. Then for inputs, change fast length, slow length, and signal length to 100, 400, and 200 respectively. After that, under style, change MACD leader to columns and pick a suitable color. Then disable MACD and signal options and adjust the level to make it stand out better on the chart. So with this setup, a histogram above 0 level confirms buy trades, and below the 0 level confirms sell trades. For example, we had a sell signal here, but the MACD leader histogram was positive, so the signal wasn't confirmed. And similarly, this long signal was filtered because the MACD leader histogram was negative. Alright, now let's outline how to trade, set a stop loss and exit trades and their strategy. So to enter a sell trade, wait for a sell signal. Then the MACD leader histogram needs to be below 0 to confirm the signal. Next, the trend needs to be downward, so the price must be below both moving averages. At that point, you can enter the trade at the close of the signal candlestick. And to manage risk, set a stop loss higher than the recent swing. Then for taking profits and exiting trade, a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 will be a good balance. And also, to enter a buy trade, wait for a buy signal. Then the MACD leader histogram needs to be above 0 to confirm the signal. Next, the trend needs to be upward, so the price must be above both moving averages. At that point, you can enter the long trade at the close of the signal candlestick. And for the stop loss, set it below the recent swing. Then for profit taking and exiting trade, again aim for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5 for a reasonable balance of risk and potential gains. So at the end, if you want to be one of the lucky few people who can make money no matter what the market is doing, then I highly recommend checking out this video I'm suggesting. Don't you miss it now.